Hey there! Welcome to the ultimate guide to the new Ninja Crispi Pro XL glass air fryer. In this video, you learn how to get the most out of your Crispi Pro. Let's get started with what's in the box. Inside your Ninja Crispi Pro box, you'll find the powerful 2050-watt XL glass air fryer, a removable modular base, one 2.3-litre medium clean, crisp glass container, one 5.7-litre XL clean crisp glass container, as well as two crisper plates and storage lids for each container. It's designed to give you everything you need to prep, cook, serve, store and re-crisp in just one system. To get started, place the clean crisp container of your choice into the base, making sure the base is locked into the correct position for this glassware size. There are three positions for the modular base. For the 5.7-litre container, place the base in the lowest position. For the 3.8-litre container, place the base in the middle position. And finally, for the 2.3-litre container, place the base at the topmost position. Once the base is in the correct position, simply slide the glassware into place and push back towards the spine until it clicks into place. Be sure to only use the Ninja Crispi Pro with Ninja-approved Clean Crisp glassware. Ninja's Clean Crisp glassware is thermal shock resistant, so you can go from frozen to crispy in minutes. Plus, it's designed with counter-safe feet, so you can safely set it on granite, laminate, marble, and butcher block. Your 2.3-litre medium container is perfect for everyday cooking and re-crisping, while the 5.7-litre XL container is perfect for making larger meals like a 2.3-kilogram roast chicken, which can feed up to 6 people. Both containers are also equipped with crisper plates designed to support airflow, so you get that perfect crisp. The included dishwasher-safe lids allow for neat nesting and stacking when it's time to store everything away. Your Ninja Crisp Pro has 7 functions: air fry, max crisp, re-crisp, roast, bake or proof, and dehydrate. Ninja has made the process super simple. Just pick a function and adjust the time. For more tips and recipes, check out the included inspiration guide or visit us at ninjakitchen.co.uk. Dive in and happy cooking!